Hello, Cleveland, and everyone from everywhere else. Hope you're having a great day, week, month, and year so far. Welcome to your 10-minute TA. Let's get right into the charts. So, as we can see from yesterday, I made my video right around here somewhere, and then as soon as I posted it, dumped further to basically 94K, which is what I was saying would happen if this local support was flipped to resistance, which it was. So let's turn that to red. Now we did come down, and on the 90-minute chart, we can see that 94K actually was breached, and then was actually flipped to resistance here on the 90-minute chart. However, here on the 6-hour chart has not yet been flipped to resistance by opening and closing a candle under it. This candle we're in right now is was opened underneath that 94K level, and so if it can close under it in the next hour and 23 minutes, then that would flip it to resistance here on the 6-hour chart as well. On the daily, we can see that the excuse me, got something in my throat, got a lump in my throat. Hey, so on the daily, we can see that the 94K level there hasn't been a candle that has opened and closed underneath that level. We're also seeing these pincers. Let's move this out a little bit more for visibility's sake. I'll move you out a little for visibility's sake. Even move it down a bit so it's not on the wick, but on the candle body. All right. So as you can see here on the daily, 94K has been breached but has not been flipped. In fact, 94K is kind of looks like it's being held, and these pincer candles, this pincer candle formation is a reversal formation. Now, if that plays out, that would play out this head and shoulders pattern that we measured the other day, yesterday, 3 days ago, and that would have the play up of 112,000 like we were talking about. So pincers, good thing. However, the stochastics here on the daily are still pointing to the downside. Same thing here with the RSI. It's in bearish territory. It's under its signal line. These are both showing bearish continuation on the indicators. The 6-hour chart has also, like I was saying, hasn't flipped 94K to resistance yet, but can in the next hour and 20 minutes. Here, though, we are seeing the Stokes well in oversold territory, and the RSI here looks like it is ready to turn around. It has found bottom not once but twice now, it seems, while flat bottoms even. While here, this is still forming a bit of an uptrend. I mean, if we can include the wicks, not so much, but if we don't include the wicks, we are still seeing this bullish divergence forming here on the 90-minute, or on the 6-hour chart. On the 90-minute chart, we also see a bullish divergence forming. Oh, this one's hidden bullish, but this one is regular bullish. So you can see higher or lower lows. Lower lows on the price action, while RSI is showing us higher lows from here to there. So yeah, we're seeing some bullish divergences. We're seeing these pincers. It looks like the bulls could bounce from here. There's a good chance to see this V-shaped recovery that I drew, I don't know, yesterday or 2 days ago. Now, there's not a guarantee, but there's a good chance that it can happen, especially with these divergences forming. The Stokes here on the 90-minute chart look healthy, strong, showing strong upwards momentum. So yeah, let's watch for the 94K level to hold as support here on the 6-hour chart, especially here on the daily. But if we lose that on, you know, either of these charts, if the day closes under 94, then these pincers will go away, and more likely we're going to see some more downside coming. Downside coming to, well, the measured move, 86-ish. Probably a stop here, you know, at 89.8, like we were talking about yesterday. If you take a peek at the daily also, just wanted to point out that there's still this big bull flag. This is still a big bull flag. And there's still this big divergence here as well. Hidden divergence with RSI putting in lower highs, while price action puts in higher highs. So while on the short term, yes, we might be talking about 86, you know, in the next week, 2 weeks, maybe the rest of January, maybe January closes red for the third time ever for Bitcoin, but maybe not. Maybe the bulls can take hold here. We are seeing lots of bullish divergences, not seeing any bearish ones. Come on, bully bulls. You got this. I would also mention the volatility is very high here on the 6-hour chart. So this V-shaped recovery, very much likely, very much possible, especially with how wide these Bollinger Bands are, and with price action finding itself near the bottom of the bull bands. So we're watching that 94K level to hold as support. You need to see the bulls pushing up. They're going to find some resistance, you know, at our local resistance levels here at 95.2, and then here at 97.5, and then probably again at 99.6. Although blew past 99.6 twice here, so that one might be, you know, could blow past it again. It's likely to. Clean up this idea that we have here, because it didn't play out quite the way it would have. I mean, the measured move of that head and shoulders did play out. Just it didn't come back up as far as I was expecting it to on the right shoulder. So I'm going to get rid of this head and shoulder pattern. And the measuring move also, because that was it. And then, yeah, I'm going to move these out a little bit. Oh, oopsies. Oh, and I forgot one more thing here on the 90-minute chart. Let's see here. This basically just keeps hitting this support level here. I'm going to turn to green. Because, yeah, look. Just keeps hitting that support level. Comes down, bounces off. So, hey, is it going to bounce off? Did last time. Did the 2 times ago. Did before that. So we'll see if it can do it again. If not, we're looking at 89.8 and then 86. And, yeah, if so, we're looking at that V-shaped recovery. Back up to, you know, try to invalidate, again, that bear flag on the 6-hour chart. All right, guys. Every move BTC makes, we'll be watching it. Thank you, Sax Squatch, and thank you, Luminous, for providing the music for the show. Thank you for watching, and I hope that you remain awesome, and your day is as awesome as you are. Much love. See you later.